Hello YouTubers, and welcome back to the dealsprime.com review channel. We actually just now concluded part 2 review, but I forgot to show you where you can select the Android operating system. Well, this is dual boot, number one, and then also we didn't show you the Windows side of it. So we'll just reboot this and just do a Windows 8.1 quick review to show you the operating system. So basically to switch off, you just here, and then so you basically touch, you can use this for, you press this for Windows, and then this left for Windows, right for Android, and then you can press this button to select. I hope you guys could see that. And if you don't press the top buttons, it will just go to Android by default. So here we can see it just has standard Windows here, and we can see that it has a lot of apps, pre-installed apps. So we'll just zoom in a little bit on this. Now make sure to check out part 2. We actually show you the camera, the camera, of how the camera works, and so this looks like this is definitely a legit version of Office. And we'll have to actually, if you guys really want to see a Windows 8.1 version, then we'll probably need to adjust the settings, which I may try to do right here, but I usually have an issue, or it's really not that easy. So when you order from Deals Prime, we will definitely make sure that it is the unit is fully tested and it's set to English. Okay, so it looks like we've selected that. Now when you do select that, we'll actually try to reboot again, and then it'll just give us a chance to actually show you how to you can see that's the sleep button I'm pushing at the top, and it looks like we have to drag down to so you press it down, and then there, if you want to turn the computer off, there we go. So that was you hold the power button down, and then swipe down on the screen to power the unit off, and it should be rebooting right now. So again, the top buttons, the left is for Windows and the right is for Android. And I'll just push the power button again. Oh, it was already rebooting. Okay, so it looks like it's going to the Android version, maybe. So let's see what it goes to. Okay. So yeah, again, it has Intel inside, and again, check out part 1 and 2. We go over the specs. It has a 3740 CPU. So it looks like the default operating system is Android. So we reboot this, and we'll try to catch it this time where we select the operating system. Oh, here we are. It's kind of fast. There we go. Okay, so got that on the candid camera. Okay, so let's see if it's English now. So, yep, so it looks like it is English. So I kind of just showed you actually how to change the unit into English as well. Now I haven't linked to Wi-Fi yet, but we did already do a web browsing review. So probably just you can check out the part 2 review. But since we're already here, we'll just connect it to Wi-Fi real quick. 1 second. So this is actually gonna, we're doing some extra footage for all the people who are really considering this tablet. I mean, it's not cheap, but it is, the price isn't cheap, but the features are really first class. Okay, and just do some web browsing. So it's actually going to MSN, so there you can see it, nice so nice 10-inch screen. Oh, sorry, a 10-point multi-touch screen. Let's just go to some other sites real quick. Go to some local sites. Oh. So this actually looks like it could be a little bit faster than the Android, but that's probably just because we're using the default browser. Like if you use the Android operating system, you can download Chrome, which will load a lot faster. So you can check out that review as well. We go to all the same sites pretty much. And here's dealsprime.com. I want to remind you that there should be a link to this I10PRO inside of our YouTube video description. Now, before you click that link, though, make sure that it is clicking to Deals Prime. We show you the free YouTube promo gift in part 1 and 2, and actually we'll show it here. It's a 10-inch neoprene case. Now, that's why it's so important that you make sure that the link is linking to Deals Prime, because other sites will not include this free gift. Now, in order to get the free gift, though, ask us to please include the free YouTube promo case, and you can do that inside the order notes section during checkout. Now, this is the full mobile side of our version of our site, so this is also exciting because, like Android, it takes us directly to the mobile site, which doesn't allow us to check out the full version site. One second. Oh. There you go. I'm pretty sure it won't. Not sure how I'd get back on the keyboard. Oh, there we go. I10PRO. And then just tap go there. So the keyboard, it works a little bit differently than the Android keyboard. You just press go on Android. Okay, so here it is on our site. Okay, so here are the specs really close and up front. So there it is. And here are some of the accessories that you can bundle with this unit. So here are all the specs. So great. I'm actually glad that we did this part 3 review, because we got to show you the full description and actually how to boot up the unit in Windows. So this just about wraps up this review. Make sure to like our video, subscribe, and remember when you order from dealsprime.com to ask us to please include the free YouTube promo case. See you next time.